So you've invited your fiance's family for dinner for the very first time. You've got the food down, you got the shopping down, but now you want to know the proper way to set a table. I have a Nanny Bubby tidbit for that. First, start with a charger or a plate if you don't have a charger. Next, the napkins, either a cloth napkin and a napkin ring on the outside or bless the dessert spoon up above. And if you don't have cloth napkins, never worry. A beautiful white Chinette paper napkin from the grocery store right underneath your silverware is great. And that's the proper way to set a table. Your fiance's family will be very impressed.